You have to check out my driving skills.
Like, you mean the ones that were on the track or the police thing? Good morning.
Good morning.
We have our Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks, right around here, yes.
We are ready to go. We are heading to Daytona for Jeep Beach.
Jeep Beach 2022. Woo! Yes.
So excited. We're ready to go to Daytona and be free.
Be free. First stop, camping check-in.
Okay.
We're at the Jeep Beach.
You
are not going to believe this epic campsite.
Straight, and that's where.
And that takes us right
This lady right here is fantastic and gave us a really great site next to the bathroom. Like camping on right next to the NASCAR Speedway. No cameras, no cameras. Get ready for the fight. What's happening here?
This is a classic, how do you park the camper?
Vicky, how do you want it?
I want it right here.
Johnny, what do you think?
I really don't care. I just pulled in like she said, and then she changed her mind.
If you do what? This is our campsite right here on Daytona Speedway, and you can see the cars going around behind me. It's very, very cool.
It's like being in the Days of Thunder movie right here on the track. It's awesome.
What are we about to do, Vicky?
We're fixing to drive on the Daytona International Speedway, and we're gonna go fast, like 120 miles per hour.
Daytona 500 International Speedway track, baby.
The racetrack.
It's what we're ready to go on. It's the right.
Not to be
The gas
confused
station?
with the gas station. So excited.
We'd like to say we're gonna race around the track, but we're in a Jeep, so
Yeah.
we're gonna drive around the track.
And I hear that you can actually slide down, roll over, all that if you're not careful, so yeah, we won't be racing. That is how many Jeeps are waiting to get on the track. This is a very popular thing to do, apparently.
And at 50 bucks a pop, they're making a lot of money.
We should build a racetrack in our yard or in our neighborhood, because we have a race car driver in our neighborhood, Darren Lake. It was super fun out there. It was just exciting to be on that track.
I'm feeling so brand new. I love this feeling, it's true. Alright, bitch want me to change my life. All the shit I do is the way I'm living. Come on, so you can show you like you can move your muscle, brand new things.
We're waiting in line to get onto the beach. Might be a while. So we pull into traffic and you see that police officer right there. Well, Kevin is blocking traffic because he doesn't want to go back any further in the line. The police officer gets on the megaphone and asks and says, I don't know what you thought was a good idea about blocking traffic, but you have 2 seconds to get off the road or you're getting a citation. Embarrassing. And then he proceeds to say, wait, I am just trying to be in line. This reminds me of something else.
He's out there and we're not sure why. We hope we're not violating our airspace. Valerie's leaving him.
Over here. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just get my drone in. Okay.
Move when the police officer says move.
So the ocean is behind me. Beautiful view of the ocean. But these people right in front of us are facing this way.
Because our Jeeps are cooler than the ocean.
This is when you appreciate Jeeps more than nature.
Driving on the beach in your Jeep never gets old, and neither does hanging out with friends. So stay tuned for part 2 of Daytona Jeep Beach so you can see what else Jeep Beach had to offer, including some pretty epic off-road experiences and why I was so excited. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more bee-free adventures.